G'day from Air Tools WA. Ask us anything about air. This time we're looking at the AKKO AW1061 3/4 inch impact wrench. The AKKO AW1061 features a lightweight and sturdy composite body construction with an ergonomic hand grip, a twin hammer mechanism with a forward, reverse and torque easy change selector at the rear. The exhaust is conveniently located at the base of the handle and delivers a total of 1100 foot-pound of torque. As you can see in this demonstration, the AKKO AW1061 is a fantastic air impact wrench that was specifically designed for heavy applications such as steel framework, truck and machinery repair, construction, or use in any industrial or factory setting. AKKO, dollar for dollar, unbeatable. For more information, please visit our website at airtoolswa.com.au. And as always, thanks for watching.